Hey, it's your boy Rich B here, and this is just a quick video that was inspired by one of my commenters. Their exact question was, where would you suggest to exchange money in Cartagena? Okay, and my response to that was, well, I always get my money directly out of the ATM. That usually gives the best exchange rates. Okay, and that question lingered on in my mind for a while because I thought about it. Like, I've never operated like that. I've never come with a wallet full or a pocket full of cash to Colombia and then looking around for a place to exchange the money. I've just never operated like that. I've always just had my money flowing through my debit cards, and anytime I needed to get pesos, I just get it straight through my debit card. Okay, and that's how I've always operated through all my travels in Colombia or South America. Okay, so it just really made me think that, you know, a lot of people, that's how they're doing it. They come in with a wad of cash, or wallet full of cash, purse full of cash, and then getting on Colombian soil trying to figure out where to exchange the money. And let me tell you, that's the best way to get screwed, okay? Because you have to understand, when you step on Colombian soil, you're in a different country, you're in a different territory then. They can charge you what they want, okay? So when you step up to that money exchange line with your wad of US dollars, you might as well go on and get in position, because you's about to get screwed 9 times out of 10. And I can just about guarantee you that you're not going to get a better exchange rate as your US bank would give you. So this video is just a short video to address how to use the ATM, the Cajero, in Colombia, and how to make sure that you get the best exchange rate. Okay? Now, hey, when it's all said and done, you can do what you want to do. It's your money, but this is how I recommend it, and this has always worked for me. So without further ado, let's roll the tape. All right, so this is how you work with the ATM machine called Cajero. You put your card in, okay? Now, the screen is gonna load, and it's gonna have you select English or Spanish. I wouldn't play around trying to practice Spanish on this, so just select English. Okay, now you want to do a balance entry or withdrawal. We're doing a withdrawal here. And you withdraw from your checking account or savings account. In this case, I'll just do an example on a checking account. And then you just have the amount you want to select. Okay, I'm just going to do, for example, I'm just going to do 300,000, which is about $70 or something, a little bit more. Press accept. Then, you know, you put in your PIN number. Press accept again. Now, here's the part you want to watch out for. It says decline conversion or accept conversion. You want to always decline the conversion because your US bank account usually gives a better conversion rate. They're going to decline that, and the transaction is in process. There it is, that money. Get that money. All right. Then we want to wait, and make sure you get your card. Sometimes it takes a few seconds to unlock your card. You can print your receipt, or you can look at it on the screen, your choice. I always like to get a receipt. And you get your card. Make sure you get that. And that's it. That's how you work the ATM in Colombia.